Hello viewers, welcome to Sakis Intellect. How are you all? Today our topic is about the biometric technology, which is one of the most important security enhancing technology and which have a wide range of applications. So before beginning the topic, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Whenever I upload the video, you get the notifications. And come to the topic, biometric technology is nothing but something you know. Something you are is the biometrics. Something you know is like password, pin code, something we know that. Something we have is nothing but swipe card, smart card or key. So something you are is nothing but the biometrics. In this we today discussed about the terms of biometrics, history of biometrics, biometric technology characteristics, biometric recognition techniques, applications and advantages and disadvantages. So what is biometrics? Biometrics refers to automatic identification, that is authentication of person based on their physiological or behavioral characteristics. So what is the need of biometrics? So for the need of biometric technologies, the level of security, to enhance the level of security, we need this biometric technology. Come to the history of this biometric technology, the ancient Egyptians and Chinese played a large role in biometrics history. And it is a practice which was a form of fingerprinting being used in China in 14th century by Alphonse Bertillon. He is a French police officer and also a biometric technology researcher. He developed a technique of multiple body measurements. Here bio means life and metrics means measurement. So what are the characteristics of biometric technology? Any human characteristic can qualify as a biometric characteristic as long as it satisfies the following requirements. These are universality, that is uniqueness, distinctiveness, permanence and collectibility. These are the four main characteristics of this biometric technology. Now see how biometric technology works. That is, all biometric systems work in four-stage process. That is to capture, extraction, comparison or match or non-match. These are the four-stage process. Here the match point processed using an algorithm into a value that can be compared with biometric feature. If we take the biometrical device, it consists of a reader and a scanning device and a software that converts the scanned information into digital form, that is zeros and ones form. And whatever the data to be analyzed, a database that stores the biometric data for comparison with previous records. And when converting the biometric information, that is the given input, the software identifies specific points of data as match points. As match points are processed using an algorithm into a value that can be compared with biometric data scanned when a user tries to gain access. By this we can get as a result this is matched or non-matched. So by this working mechanism, any biometric machine can work. So biometric system operates in two modes. By using this working mechanism, that is the biometric machine can work hardware and as well as software. So biometric system operates in two modes, that is identification and verification. Identification is different from verification, as identification refers to one-to-many comparison of data and verification refers to one-to-one comparison of data. So come to what are the types of this biometric technology. There are physiological and behavioral. Come to the physiological types: face recognition, fingerprint, hand geometry, retina recognition, iris recognition is the physiological formula types. And come to the behavioral: signature recognition and voice recognition are the behavioral. So come to the first one, fingerprint recognition. This is the fingerprint identification systems. It is maintained by the friction ridges of a human fingerprint, that is using the fingerprint scanner. Here fingerprint scanner gets image of our finger and determine pattern of ridges. One of the largest fingerprint recognition system is integrated automated fingerprint identification system, which is maintained by FBI in US since 1999. Here FP scanner, that is fingerprint scanner, have many different ways to get. Today we are using optical scanning and capacitance scanning. Come to the optical scanning. The heart of optical scanning is a charge coupled device, which is CCD. CCD scanning starts when you place a finger on glass plate and a CCD camera takes the picture. This is highly reliable, high secure and reduced cost and instant report. It is not but right tool for work in chemical industries. Come to the face recognition. It uses visible physical structure of face and analyze spatial geometry and identify an individual by using a computer application. And it uses an image from camera to recognize a person. And it analyzes the uniqueness, shape and pattern and position of our face. It is highly complex technology and largely software based, so it is most complex to use also. And next one is the hand geometry. Hand geometry is similar to fingerprinting. That is, hand or finger geometry is automated measurement of many dimensions of hands and fingers. That is finger ridges and hand ridges. And it is also very simple and easy to use and also very inexpensive in nature. And next one is the iris recognition. Here iris scanning measures iris pattern in colored part of our eye. And it uses camera technology with suitable infrared illumination to acquire images of our iris. And next one is the retina recognition. Here retina recognition, it analyzes layer of blood vessels situated at back of our eye. And this machine takes around 10 seconds to shine, and it is low intensity coherent light source to retina to illuminate blood vessels. And retina scan machines are fairly expensive, so it is not mostly used. And next one is the speaker and voice recognition, and it uses vocal characteristics to identify individual's voice. So here a telephone or a microphone can serve as a sensor. And next one is the signature verification. It analyzes the way of a user signs his or her name. And the signature verification examines speed, direction, pressure of writing and angle of pen. And it is process used by a biometric system is to verify signature is called dynamic signature verification, that is DSV. Come to the future perspectives of this biometric technology. There are many more: ear shape identification, body order verification and many more. Let's see what are the applications of this biometric technology. And this biometric technology prevent unauthorized access to ATM and desktop PCs, and to find the criminal identification. And in automobiles, this biometric technology replaces keys with keyless entries. And in airport security, it is mostly used. Come to the advantages of this biometric technology. So first one is the mostly important. It enhances security, and it eliminates the problems caused by lost IDs and forgot passwords. And it also reduces password administration cost, and to know the who did what, where and when in CBI investigations like this criminal investigation also. Come to the disadvantages. It is very costly, and scanning of eye is fearful, and it may missing body part may be a problem, and the false acceptance and rejections may take place. As biometric technology is one of the most promising and life-altering technology existence today, and it is emerging area with many opportunities for growth and increase both privacy and identity security. It is possible in near future you will not have to remember pins and passwords, and keys in your bags or pockets will be things of past, and it is said to change the way we live in future. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.